my dear children, this is the last module of today's session and the last topic of this chapter, CSV file. What is CSV? Very simple, comma separated value file. It's very simple, comma separated value, CSV, which allows data to be saved in a tabular format. CSV is a simple file such as spreadsheet or database. Database is nothing but MySQL database. Files in CSV format can be imported and exported from programs that store in table such as Microsoft Excel or OpenOffice, etc. In the OpenOffice, we will have only spreadsheet. Then, CSV file data fields are most often separated and delimited by comma. Each and every data will be separated with a comma. Here are the data in each row are delimited by comma and individual rows are separated by new line. My dear children, individual row, that means each records are separated with the new line. So, if you want to give any employee details like ID, name, salary, like that, we can give 1 Vinu 10,000 in a first line with a comma separated value. Then 2 comma Manu comma 20,000, 3 comma Anu comma 40,000. So each and every line will give a new record or new value or new row, that is called an individual row. So each value will be delimited with a comma. Each line or each record will be delimited with a or separated with a new line. To create a CSV file, it's very easy. You can choose your favorite text editor such as Notepad and open a new file. Or you can use any type of text editors. Normally we will use the text editor as Notepad, no. That is why I had included Notepad here. Then enter the text data you want the file to contain, separating each value with a comma and each row with a new line. Save the file with the extension .csv. So CSV file is nothing but comma separated values. 1 line, 1 record. So if you are entering 10 lines means 10 records will be there. 10 rows will be there in the data frame. It's very easy. You can open the file using MS Excel or another spreadsheet program. It will create a table of similar data. My dear children, look at here. I had used a data, an Excel format. Here I used EMP ID, ename, DOJ. 101, 102, 103 in the EMP ID. Sachin Vinod Anand in ename. DOJ as the date of joining for 3 employees. My dear children, I had included this EMP as an Excel file. Look at the file name I used, EMP as the file name, and Excel is the file extension we should have to use, XLS. So my dear children, we should have to create a CSV file at first. Then it can be used with a EMP Excel sheet. Okay, then how to merge or how to read a CSV file into a program. That means how to get the data from an Excel sheet to the Python Pandas program. So the function we need to use is read_CSV off. Read_CSV off. Which module will have this file function? The Python Pandas module will have this function. So let me explain the example. Here I used import pandas as PD. DF, what we are going to create here? A DF, a data frame, equals PD dot, instead of merge, instead of creating data frame series, anything. Here I used read_CSV and then I had included the path or the file name with the path where we have stored the Excel file. Then it's very easy. We can easily import. Reading means importing, getting into the program, reading into the program. Reading from a CSV file to the program. So from an Excel sheet, we are getting the values into our program. That is called a reading, getting. Okay, that is why I used read CSV file. And within that function, what I had included, the file path with the extension. In the E drive, I had stored emp.csv. Please try this in your Pydroid. Or you can use your laptop and create an Excel file. Try to make a data frame by getting the values from an Excel file. So look at the example output. So we will get the values which we had stored in Excel in the Python. So look at the next function. Exporting data from CSV file. That means how to export the values from the program to a file, to the CSV file. To export a data frame into CSV file, first of all we have to create a data frame, say df1, and use data frame to CSV. That means to the CSV from the program we are giving our values to the CSV file. That is why the function we had used to CSV. Method to export data frame df into CSV file, data frame 1.csv. My dear children, let me explain the example. I had created a list of dictionary, that is name and surname, and I had created a data frame. Within the data frame, I had included that to where it has to be exported. That means from our program to where it has to be exported. That is the only thing I had given E colon. That is the into the E drive. Local disk E. That is E colon data frame 1. What will be the name of the CSV file? Data frame 1. What will be the extension? CSV. So it is very easy. Read CSV is for getting the values from Excel file. To CSV is for giving the values from our program to a CSV file. What is CSV? It is very easy. Look at the output of this program. Name and surname along with the index. It shows the output. Whenever we are trying to open the file, it will show the output like this. So my dear children, we can easily get the values from Excel to our Python and Python to Excel. I think you are all clear about how to use this. Try this in your Pydroid as well as in your laptop, Python.3.7. So CSV is what? Once again I am repeating, comma separated value file. It can be easily created with the help of Notepad, and use the extension .cv for saving the extension file. So the further details we can discuss in our online session. Thank you.